Accused Andres Caceres Haldin of abduction. They say he's caught on surveillance video picking up a child and walking away at Fair Oaks Mall July 18th. The father was watching the little girl and her sibling when she wandered off from the play area. Court documents say the suspect walked into the JCPenney where the mom was shopping. She confronted him and got the child back.
This was a completely preventable incident.
Sean Kennedy of Virginians for Safe Communities and a member of the Fairfax County Criminal Justice Advisory Board questions why Caceres Haldin was out in the first place. The 26-year-old was released from jail 3 days earlier without having to pay bond if he promised to show up to his next court appearance. He was originally in jail for a felony charge of failing to stop at a scene of a car accident causing injury.
If he's mentally ill or criminally violent, he doesn't deserve to be on the streets. He's demonstrated himself to be a threat to public safety.
Kennedy argues keeping him from the streets should have been a priority, especially since his criminal record includes more than 30 charges in Fairfax County alone. Among them are multiple cases of malicious wounding, assault and battery, and destruction of property involving family members. All of those charges in 2024 were never prosecuted, but it remains unclear why.
The actions of the Commonwealth's attorney have been derelict, either through incompetence or willful decisions to not prosecute or not incapacitate a threat to public safety.
Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin has now called on the Attorney General to investigate Fairfax County Commonwealth Attorney Steve Descano for what he calls repeated failures to protect citizens.
This is the first time I've ever been asked by a governor to look at the systematic failures of an individual jurisdiction.
Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares and Descano have publicly criticized each other for years. Miyares tells WSA9 the same attorneys who investigated the parole board over reported violations will be in charge of this probe.
I have little faith that he's going to be cooperative, and so a lot of this is going to be information that's both public on both their statistics, their numbers, and the number of cases as well that they are choosing not to prosecute in their jurisdiction.
All right, so we did reach out to Descano's office over the weekend as well as today for comment and to some answers for some of our questions. We have not heard back just yet. As far as the suspect in this abduction case, he does have another hearing scheduled this month. Zoe.
Speaking of that suspect here, more than 30 charges in Fairfax County alone. Wow, hopefully we do get those answers from Descano soon. Matthew, thank you.